Bile duct cancer is a serious medical condition. Also called cholangiocarcinoma, it negatively affects the cells present in the bile ducts. These cells are small and tube-like. These cells attach the liver to the gallbladder and then to the small intestine. In general, bile ducts are the body's digestive system as they help with food digestion. They carry bile, which is an important fluid that the body needs to break fat into small pieces. Bile is manufactured in the liver and then preserved in the gallbladder. What is bile duct cancer? Cholangiocarcinoma is a health situation that occurs when the cells present in the bile duct become abnormally affected, which causes separation and uncontrollable growth in the bile ducts. If not well managed as soon as possible, the affected cells can grow and spread into other organs and tissues of the body like the pancreas or gallbladder. Symptoms and risks of bile duct cancer. Symptoms of bile duct cancer do not manifest until a later stage, usually when there is an obstruction in the ducts. It is important to note that the symptoms of bile duct cancer can be similar to other types of cancers, therefore it is not recommended to self-diagnose based on these signs. Instead, consult a doctor for an exact diagnosis. Here are some of the symptoms of bile duct cancer: dark urine, fever and nausea, itchy skin, whiteness of the eyes or yellowness of the skin, jaundice, unexplainable weight loss, vomiting and chills, abdominal pain, pale stool. According to research carried out by the National Cancer Institute, different health issues can contribute to the growth of bile duct cancer. These health issues include the appearance of cysts in the bile duct, certain infections caused by parasites, and sclerosing cholangitis. Diet and bile duct cancer. A healthy diet can ease the pain that comes with the symptoms of bile cancer. Beans, lentils, sardines, citrus fruits, and tomatoes are some foods that can help decrease inflammation. These foods are high in vital nutrients like vitamin C, calcium, omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, fiber, and vitamin B12. However, there are certain kinds of foods to avoid with bile duct cancer, as they can elevate symptoms and make the management of the disease more difficult. Foods to avoid bile duct cancer. 1. Refined foods. Foods like bread, rice cakes, crackers, instant oatmeal, and white pasta are some kinds of refined white foods that are bad for bile duct cancer. Ordinarily, eating refined foods is a factor that contributes to obesity, which can increase your risk of developing bile duct cancer. Obesity can accelerate the development of stones in the bile ducts and gallbladder. In addition, according to a study, a diet high in refined carbohydrates can increase the amount of cholesterol in the bile, which might further cause gallstones. 2. Fried foods. With or without bile duct cancer, the consumption of fried foods is not good for the body, as they are filled with fat, salted, and contain dangerous quantities of calories. They can increase the body's cholesterol levels and accelerate the chances of developing heart disease. In addition, fried foods are hard to break down and can harm the gallbladder, affecting the bile ducts. Stay away from fried foods like cheese sticks and French fries. In addition, refrain from consuming foods that are fried or dipped in unhealthy oils like safflower oil, sesame oil, corn oil, and cottonseed oil. 3. Preserved vegetables. Aside from the fact that preserved vegetables are not suitable for people with high blood pressure, preserved foods such as pickled vegetables might increase your risk of having stomach cancer. These preserved vegetables are loaded with large amounts of sodium, leading to water retention. 4. Salted meats. Also called salt-cured meats, these are fish or meat that are preserved with curry or salt. It used to be a common method of meat preservation but is less used these days because of refrigeration. Salted meat can increase the symptoms of bile duct cancer and can also cause other medical problems like bowel cancer, heart disease, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Salted meats include pancetta, chorizo, and salami. 5. Raw fish. One of the important reasons to cook food is that it can eliminate parasites and bacteria that can cause different diseases. However, some people prefer to consume some fish in their raw form. This is most common in Japan with dishes like sushi. Although not all parasites can cause noticeable symptoms, there are certain parasites present in raw fish that can harm your liver and other human organs. Examples of these parasites are liver flukes, tapeworms, and roundworms. Liver flukes are harmful to the body and can make it more prone to the development of bile duct cancer. Try to refrain from consuming raw spicy minced fish, undersmoked fish, and raw pickled fish.